to our Hints and Tips series, where I'll be sharing a few more creative tactics that will help you to leverage your creative Qual activities. I've got a few more creative techniques that I'm keen to share with you, so let's begin. I know I previously got excited by using smartboards and question boards, but another tool that I'm always eager to use is diary studies. It's very simple. Participants can add to their own diary that comprises of different questions such as open text and scale questions. One of the key bonuses of using diary studies is that they encourage your participants to share their experiences across a period of time. I often add creativity to these by encouraging my participants to vlog their daily activities. These have worked particularly well when visually showing situations such as in-store experiences and product usage at home. By asking your customers to upload videos, you can step into the day in their life of the customers and use this immersive medium to share insight. If you have an online community, the final tip I would encourage you to do is to ask your customers to share their own content, such as blogs. Blogs allow your customers to creatively share their own thoughts and ideas about your products and their experiences of using them. By inviting your customers to get creative and share in-depth articles, you can dig deeper by asking further questions about the experiences that your customers have shared. This not only allows you to acquire customer feedback, but it also helps you to build an understanding about your customers' needs and preferences. I've known these to work well across a variety of industries, including beverages, technology, and personal care products, as loyal customers really enjoy being directly heard by a brand. So, if you're looking to get started with using creative tasks in your research, don't forget diary studies and vlogs are a great place to start. They're simple to use and they will enable your customers to creatively share their view.